I'm going to watch some SpongeBob on my TV. Oh, tartar sauce. Oh, barnacles. It is rainy out here. But at least I made money from Mr. Krabs today. Oh no. The emergency alert system. Ah!
Holy crap, I hear screaming to the living room. Mr. Driller, did you scream over the emergency alert system? Tell me the truth right now, or I will unplug the electricity for goods.
As a matter of fact, yes. I was the one who screamed over the emergency alert system. It was so loud as heck.
Mr. Driller, how dare you scream over the emergency alert system? That's it. You're grounded for 5 weeks. Go to your room right now.
Seriously, I'm sorry.